Hi friends, sorry it took me a bit of time to get logged back onto the computer. Our internet is not doing so well here at school today. Alright, so the very first thing we're going to do is to review the problem that you worked on from our video that was posted today. So, for your number bond, they gave you one part with the number 1, and they gave you a whole, which was the number 7. So, what strategies do you think we could use to find the other part? We could draw dots, or we could use our counting sticks on our fingers. I'm going to use the counting stick strategy right now, right? So I'm going to start at number 1, and I'm going to see how many fingers it takes to count to the number 7. Ready? Remember, whenever I say 1, I don't lift a finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers did I have to lift, friends? I see a full hand over here. I know that's 5 fingers. And one more is 6. All right. Now let's create our addition sentences. For my first addition sentence, I'm going to use this part here first. So I'm going to say 6 plus 1 equals 7. Now I'm going to use this part first. 1 plus 6 equals 7. All right, here's these two tricky ones. Whenever I see my equal sign first, I know that I must put my whole number first. So I'm going to put 7 on the side. 7, and now I'm going to use this part first again. 6 plus 1. All right, I see my equal sign first again. I must use number 7 first. 7 equals 1 plus 6. So friends, I used the same 3 numbers to create 4 different addition sentences. Is this what you had on your board? Great work, friends. All right, you may erase your board and put it away for just a second, and I'm going to show you our warm-up. Now for our math warm-up today, we're going to be looking at a hundreds chart, and we are going to be counting by tens. Now, we're going to start by counting by tens the regular way. And I'm going to use this color here to show you how we move whenever we count by tens. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, friends, what do you notice about the numbers we say whenever we count by tens? What do you notice about their placement on the hundreds chart? You're right. They are in a straight line, all right below each other. Remember whenever we're doing our calendar and we try to find 10 more or 10 less than a number? That's why you either look up for 10 less or down for 10 more. This is a great example of why we do that. All right. Let's do this one more time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, now here's the challenge. We are going to count by tens beginning with the number 5. So, of course, where am I going to start? I'm going to start with the number 5. Now, where do I need to go if I'm going to count by tens? If I'm counting by tens, I'm skip counting by 10. So that means I need to move 10 spaces. Now, do I need to go and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 every single time? What would be a better strategy? I know every time I move down on the hundreds chart, I am adding 10 more. So let's do that and see if that helps us to count by tens, starting with the number 5. Let's see. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. Awesome! All right, what if I would start with the number 2 and count by tens? What number would come next? You got it, 12. And then what number? 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, and 92. Great job. So friends, whenever we're looking to count by tens using a hundreds chart, which way are we going to move on our hundreds chart? You're right, we're going to move all the way down. Then if we want to count backwards by 10, which direction will we move? Up. You're right. So let's count by tens forward and then backwards, and we'll see how we move on the hundreds chart. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So each time I move down, my number is getting bigger by 10. Now let's count backward, and whenever we move up, our numbers will get smaller by 10. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. There you go, friends. All right. Up next, we are going to take out our workbook. Looks like this. And we're going to open up to page 78. I'll show it to you in just 1 second. Here is page 78. If you need an extra minute to get there, you can go ahead and press pause. We are going to circle the larger amount and count on. Write the number sentence starting with the larger number. All right, friends, so here is our example. Those are little rocking horses. There's a group of 1, and then there's a group of 5. So, of course, they circled the group of 5. That's the larger amount. So then they started with 5 here in their addition sentence. 5 plus 1 equals 6. All right? Okay, friends. So which group is larger, this group or this group? For sure, this group. So I'm going to circle it. Let's count them up. Remember, whenever I'm counting objects, I like to just put a quick dash through them to know that I've already counted it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number am I going to put first? Got it. How many skateboards do I have over here? 2 skateboards. All right, friends, so I'm going to start at 7, and I'm going to lift a finger. For each new number I say, I need to lift 2 fingers. 7, 8, 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Awesome job. All right, number 2 says, color the larger part and complete the number bond. Write the number sentence starting with the larger part. All right, friends, so for number 2, we have a part that is worth 5 and a part that is worth 2. Which is the larger part? You got it. You should be coloring in the number 5. All right. For this one, I think I'm going to do the dot strategy. So let's get started. We want to put our larger part first. Our larger part is the number 5. So let's write 5 plus 2. All right, how many dots am I going to draw? 2 dots. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Where else does the number 7 go? Right over here. You got it, friends. All right. Look at number 3. Remember, I am coloring in the larger part. What number am I going to color in? What part? You got it, friend. I'm going to color in number 4, and then it's also going to be the first number in my addition sentence. Here we go. 4 plus 3. Friends, go ahead and use your favorite strategy to solve 4 plus 3. Did you get 7? You got it, friends. And what number goes over here? 7 again. Beautiful. All right. Let's look at number 4. This will be our last one in the workbook. What part am I going to color in? Got it. 6 is the larger part. So I'm going to write 6 here. What number goes here? My second part, number 4. All right, then, please solve 6 plus 4. Is this what you got? Great work. All right, and I'm also going to put my sum over here. 10. There you go, friends. Great work. All right, next, please take out your calendar journal. I'm going to grab mine right now. All right, friends. Let's start with our Days of the Week song. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right, now for our months of the year. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. All right, friends. Okay, so we know that today is Thursday, so yesterday was Wednesday, and Wednesday always counts as a day of school for us, okay? So, sorry friends, you can't see my yellow dots there. That's a little better. So I need to count a day of school for yesterday and a day of school for today. So I'm going to draw 2 new circles on my sketch tray. There we go. Okay, let's count these up, and then you can count yours to make sure you have the same amount. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. 33 days of school. Check yours. Make sure you have 33. If not, now is a great time to get caught up. Press pause if you need it, okay? All right. Flip to our grid page. All right. So we had 33 dots. So now I need to write up to the number 33. So I have 31. What comes next? 32. And then 33. You got it, friends. All right. Let's move on to October. All right. So today is October 22nd. So that means that I need to color in number 21 for yesterday, for Wednesday. 21 and 22. All right. Let's continue our pattern. Number 21 should be orange. And 22 should be black. Right. Now we need to add 2 tally marks for our 2 days of school, one for Wednesday, one for Thursday. So right here I see that I have a group of 1, 2, 3, 4 tally marks, and I need to add 1 more. So I know after I draw 4 straight tally marks, 1, 2, 3, 4, I have to shut the door. That means this tally mark is going to go straight across that group of 4 to make a group of 5. And I'm going to make 1 more tally mark below it. So I did 1 tally mark and 2 tally marks. these up. 5, 10, 15, 16. We have had 16 days of school in October. All right, friends, again, now is a great time to get caught up with your calendar. If you don't have 16 tally marks, make sure that you write them now. All right, last part of our calendar is our weather. And my friends, it is a beautiful fall day out there today. What would we say about the weather today? I see the sun's definitely shining, but I also see some clouds in the sky. So let's call it partly cloudy. All right, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm so sorry that our internet connection was not the best today for our afternoon meeting, but hopefully it will be back up and running for tomorrow morning. Also, don't forget to bring something to show and tell tomorrow for our morning meeting. All right, I'll see you then.